Presenting the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, towing package, TRD Offroad package, 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.